पाप सिंधु तारिणी नीरमाधुरभिराप्य अशेष चित्त बंधिनी मां पुनाथ सर्वदार विंद बंध नंदिनी.
Kind of, yes. It's a simple one only. Anyone else remembers?
Krishna Chaitanya.
Yes, go ahead, Krishna Chaitanya.
प्रातुरन्तकस्य पट्टने विपत्तिहारिणि प्रेक्षयाति पापिनोऽपि पापसिन्धुतारिणि नीरमाधुरीभिरप्यशेषचित्तबन्धिनि मां पुनातु सर्वदा अरविन्दबन्धुनन्दिनी.
Subhadra, you were there when we started to learn this?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay.
I didn't join the last Madhava class last Wednesday.
But when we started this, were you there, or this is new for you completely?
This is new for me completely, Mataji.
Okay, no problem. How about others? Who is new completely for this song?
Mataji, this is new for me.
Okay, Anshu also, yeah. Okay. Anyone else? Vikhyat also has joined now.
Yes, Mataji.
Were you there when we started this song, Vikhyat? Or this is new for you also?
Is this the Yamuna Ashtakam, Mataji?
Yes.
I think I was there for the second one.
Okay. The last time you joined it, last Wednesday. Others are all okay with this? I think you all were there, right? Mukund, Krishna Chaitanya. Adi was there?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay.
Wait, there and what?
You were there when we started this Yamunashtakam?
I don't think so.
Is this new completely for you?
What? I can tell you.
Is new for you completely?
Yeah.
Yeah, first time, right? For this song.
Yes.
Okay. No problem. So what we will do, for everyone, I will say this line, then you all repeat. Okay. Words are a little bit difficult, but I think by practice it's fine and not so difficult also. It's a very beautiful song actually. Shall we read the translation of the first one first? Okay. Anyone wants to read the translation?
Vikyas, can you read Mataji?
Who's that?
Vikyas?
Yes, we can.
May Shri Yamuna, who is the daughter of Surya Dev, who saves one from having to enter the city of her brother Yamaraja, the sight of whom enables the most sinful persons to cross the ocean of sin, and the sweetness of whose water charms the hearts of everyone, always purify me.
So this is the prayer Srila Rupa Goswami is writing here for Sri Yamuna, the river Yamuna, who is the daughter of Surya Dev. And the sister of? Whose sister she is?
Ravana, right? No.
Yamaraj.
Yeah, Yamaraj, I mean.
Okay. So it goes like this. Everyone can sing or repeat, even those who are new and those who have been joining. Please repeat. Bhraturantakaस्य pattane bhipattiharini. Or I will go ahead.
भ्रातुरन्तकस्य पत्तने विभृतहारिणि भ्रातुरन्तकस्य पत्तने विभृतिहारिणि.
Okay, go only half first, okay? Because there are some new also. Bhraturantakasya pattane.
भ्रातुरन्तकस्य पत्तने
भ्रातुरन्तकस्य पत्तने
भ्रातुरन्तकस्य
विपत्तिहारिणी
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 तिहारिणि
भ्रातुरन्तकस्य पत्तने विपत्तिहारिणी
तस्य
पत्तने
विभित्तहारिणि
भ्रातुरन्तकस्य पत्तने विपत्तिहारिणी
पत्तने विभित्तहारिणि
प्रेक्ष्याति पापिनोऽपि
प्रेक्षयाति पापिनोऽपि
प्रेक्ष्याति पापिनोऽपि
प्रेक्षयाति पापिनोऽपि
प्रेक्षयाति पापिनोऽपि
प्रेक्षयाति पापसिन्धुतारिणि
पापसिन्धुतारिणी
पापसिन्धुतारिणि
प्रेक्षयाति पापिनोऽपि पापसिन्धुतारिणी
क्षयाति पापिनोऽपि पापसिन्धुतारिणि
All try to say it in sync, okay? Not too fast, not too slow. Everyone together, okay? प्रेक्षयाति पापिनोऽपि पापसिन्धुतारिणी नीरमाधुरीपिरप्यशेष These two you have to join, okay? Appya and Ashesha. Appyashesha. Niramadhuripyashesha. Niramadhuripyashesha.
नीरमाधुरेभिरप्यशेष
चित्तबन्धिनी
चित्तबन्धिनी
नीरमाधुरीभिरप्यशेष चित्तबन्धिनी नीरमाधुरीभिरप्यशेष चित्तबन्धिनी मां पुनातु सर्वदारविन्दबन्धुनन्दिनी Okay, I will go half for this last line. Mam punatu sarvadaravinda. Mam punatu sarvadaravinda bandhu nandini. Everyone got this? Can you all say about this? First?
Yes, Mataji, yes.
Okay, Giridhari, do you want to sing then?
I was saying yes. I know it. I was saying that Okay, Mataji.
Okay. You want to try? You want to try?
With you, Mataji. I don't know this.
The first one. The first one. Whatever we sang now, do you want to try again? Or do you want to wait for others to try and then you want to sing?
Can Shubhadra say?
Yes, Shubhadra. Okay, go ahead.
भारत अंकतस्य पातने विभक्तिहारिणि व्यक्षते पापिनोऽपि पापसिन्धुतारिणि नीरमाधुभिरप्यशेष चित्तबन्धनि मां भुनातु सर्वदा वृन्दबन्धुनन्दिनी.
Yes, very good. Here only, can you repeat this again? The second line.
प्रेक्षते पापिनोऽपि पापसिन्धुतारिणि.
Prekshayati. Can you say?
प्रेक्षयाति
Prekshayati papinopi.
प्रेक्षयाति पापिनोऽपि पापसिन्धुतारिणि.
And can you say the last line?
मां पुनातु सर्वदा वृन्दबन्धुनन्दिनी.
Sarvadaravinda. Can you say?
सर्वदा वृन्दबन्धुनन्दिनी.
Yes. So what we can do, we can go slow because the words are a little difficult, right? And then when we are fluent, we can start going fast. But very nice, Subhatra Giridhari. Good job. Who wants to go next? Krishna Chaitanya, go ahead.
प्रातुरन्तकस्य पत्तने विपत्तिहारिणि प्रेक्षयाति पापिनोऽपि पापसिन्धुतारिणि नीरमाधुरीभिरप्यशेषचित्तबन्धिनि मां पुनातु सर्वदारविन्दबन्धुनन्दिनी.
Yes, very nice, Krishna Chaitanya. Mukund, go ahead.
Hare Krishna. भ्रातुरन्तकस्य पत्तने बिभितहारिणि प्रेक्षयाति पापिनोऽपि पापसिन्धुतारिणि नीरमाधुरीभिरप्यशेषचित्तबन्धिनि मां पुनातु सर्वदा रविन्दबन्धुनन्दिनी. Hare Krishna.
Very nice. Vikhyat, do you want to go ahead?
I can try, Mataji.
Go ahead.
भ्रातुरन्तकस्य पत्तनेऽभिपत्तिहारिणि प्रेक्षयाति पापिनोऽपि पापसिन्धुतारिणि नीरमाधुरीभिरप्यशेषचित्तबन्धिनि मां पुनातु सर्वदा रविन्दबन्धुनन्दिनी.
Very good. Very nice. Here, these two you can join apyashesha so that you can, this word will fit into that line.
Okay, Mataji.
Okay, very nice. Who wants to go next? Adi, do you want to go?
Not really, Mataji.
You want to try?
Not really.
What's that? I can't hear you.
Not really. I don't really want to try.
It's very unclear. Do you want to try or not?
No.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Sorry, I couldn't hear you clearly. No problem. So, who else? Is Asra there? Asra wants to try or she? I'm just asking everyone who all wants to try. Okay, otherwise we'll move to the next one. How about others? Anshu? I will move to the next one. So we'll first read the translation. Second. Who wants to read the second translation? Anyone wants to read the second translation? Vikhyat, do you want to read? Okay, Vikhyat already read it. Anyone else wants to read? Quickly. Okay, Krishna Chaitanya, go ahead. Then I will just call out the names.
Okay. May Shri Yamuna, who is the daughter of Suryadev, who decorates the great Kanda forest with a stream of pleasant waters, who is filled with lotus flowers and dancing birds, and who blinds the terrible sin of day, who desire to bathe in her, always purify me.
Okay. Very nice. So this line is mostly getting repeated. Meshri Yamuna, who is the daughter of Suryadev, who decorates the great Khandava forest with a stream of pleasant waters. And then her glories. Okay, second one. Please repeat. Hari Vari Dharayabhi. Hari Vari Dharayabhi. Panditoru Khandava.
Manditoru Khandava.
Panditoru Khandava.
Manditoru Khandava.
Hari Vari Dharayabhi Manditoru Khandava.
Hari
Hari Vari Dharayabhi Manditoru Khandava. Pundarika Mandalo.
Pundarika Mandalo.
Pundarika Mandalo.
Pundarika Mandalo.
Jadanda Jali Tandava.
Jayadanda Jali Tandava.
Yadanda Jali Tandava.
Yadanda Jali Tandava.
Dyanda Jali Tandava. You got this? Yadanda. Can you say this? Yadanda.
Yadanda
Yadanda Jali
Jali
Tandava. There are two the and one the in the end because there is a dot here. Whenever there is a dot here, it is the. So, Dya Danda Jali Tandava. Can you say?
Yadanda Jali.
Okay. Pundarika Mandalodya Danda Jali Tandava. Can you say?
Pundarika Mandalodya Danda Jali Tandava.
Pundarika Mandal. Okay. Pundarika Mandalodya Danda Jali Tandava.
Pundarika Mandalodya Danda Jali Tandava.
Nana Kama Pama Rogra.
Kana Kama Pama Rogra.
Nana Kama Pama Rogra.
Snana Kama Pama Rogra.
Papa Sampadandini.
Papa Sampadandini.
Papa Sampadandini.
Papa Sampadandini.
Nana Kama Pama Rogra Papa Sampadandini.
Snana Kama Pama Rogra. Papa Sampadandini.
Can you say it?
Sanakama Pamaroga Papa Sampadandini.
Mam Punatu Sarvadara Vindavatu Nandini.
Punatu Sarvadara Dinda Bandhu Nandini.
Line is repeated again. Each. So everyone got this one?
Yes, Mataji.
You all want to sing one by one?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, I see Hasini has joined.
Can Shubhadra Gidi Dari?
Yes, go ahead. Go ahead, Shubha.
Can Shubhadra?
Yes, go ahead. Go ahead, Shubha.
Harivari Daryabi Mandiro tu Kandava Pundarika Mandalo Dhyadanda Jali Tandava Sanakama Pama Roga Papa Sampadandini. Mam punatu sarvadara vrinda bandhu nandini.
Very good, Shugadna. Can you say this word first? Hari Vari again, can you say this? Can you say this first line again, Subhadra?
Hari vari dharya bi mandirotu kandava.
Mandi Toru. Mandi?
Mandirotu kandava.
It's not Mandi Rotu. It is the is first, right? T is first, right? Mandi Toru Khandava.
Hari vari dharya bi manditoru kandava.
Yes, Mandi Toru. T is first, so Mandi Toru Khanda. Very good. Who wants to go next? Vikhyat, you have raised hand or it's from the...
I can go, Mataji.
Okay, go ahead.
Harivari dharaya manditoru khandava pundarika mandalodya danda jali tandava snana kama pamarogra papa sampadandhini mam punatu sarvadara vinda bandhu nandini.
Very good. Very nice. Good job. Who wants to go next? Hasini, you want to go?
Yes, Mataji. Harivari dharaya bhimanditoru khandava pundarika mandalodya danda jali tandava snana kama pamarogra papa sampadandini mam punatu sarvadara vinda bandhu nandini.
Very good, Hasini. Very nice. Okay, who wants to go next? So if you all go next quickly, then we can learn the third one also today. Otherwise, we will not have much time because we have to learn the other one also, right? So quickly.
Did can Mukund go?
Yes, quickly you all go one by one. Go ahead, Mukund.
Thank you. Harivari dharya bhimanditoru khandava pundarika mandalodaya andajal pundarika
Mandalodyad Andajali Tandava.
pundarika mandalodya andajali tandava snanakama pamarogra papasa sampadadini mam punatu sarvadara vinda bandhu nandini. Hare Krishna.
Very good.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you.
Krishna Chaitanya can go.
Go ahead, Krishna.
Harivari dharaya bhimanditoru khandava pundarika mandalodya danda jali tandava snana kama pamarogra papa sampadandhini mam punatu sarvadara vinda bandhu nandini.
Very good, Krishna. Very nice. Anyone else? Those who already learned this can go fast. Quickly, so you can move ahead. Okay. Who wants to go next? Anyone else wants to go? Else I will move to the third one. See, however you can sing, you try. That's okay. That's how you are going to learn because this is little difficult one. There are long words. It has some long words, right? So that's okay. However you can sing. You can try. Anyone else wants to try? Okay, then I will move to the third one. Can someone read the translation, please? Can you read the translation? Or who else?
Mataji, can I read the translation?
Yes, go ahead. Who's that?
This is Saividas Mataji.
Go ahead.
This is sloka number 3. It's Mataji.
Yes.
May Shri Yamuna, who's the daughter of Surya Deva, a drop of whose water destroys the sinful reactions of people, who creates a great flood of confidential, pure devotional service to the Lord Nandanandana, and who brings auspicious to they who desire to live on her shore. Always purify me.
Very nice. Okay. Please repeat. Shikaraphimrishtajantu. Okay, first we will get familiar with the words. Shikaraphimrishtajantu.
Shikaraphimrishtajantu.
Durvipakamardiನಿ.
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 Nandanandanantaranga.
Bhakti-pura-vardhani. Tirasangabhashi.
Tirasangamaabhilashi.
Tirasangamaabhilashi.
Mangalanubandhini.
Mangaladubandhini.
Mangalanubandhini.
Mangaladubandhini.
Last one is the same. Mam punatu sarvada ravinda bandhu nandini.
Ma punatu sarvada ravinda bandhu nandini.
So let's sing it. Please repeat. Shikarabhimrishtajantu.
Shikaraphimrishtajantu. Shikaraphimrishtajantu.
Durvipakamardiನಿ.
Durvipakamardiನಿ.
Shikaraphimrishtajantu durvipakamardiನಿ.
Shikaraphimrishtajantu durvipakamardiನಿ.
Shikaraphimrishtajantu durvipakamardiನಿ.
Shikaraphimrishtajantu durvipakamardiನಿ.
Nandanandanantaranga.
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 Bhakti-pura-vardhini.
Bhakti-pura-vardhini. Bhakti-pura-vardhini. Tirasangamaabhilashi. Tirasangamaabhilashi.
Mangalanubandhini.
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 Mam punatu sarvada ravinda bandhu nandini.
Ma punatu sarvada ravinda bandhu nandini.
Mampunatu sarvada
Okay, so who wants to go first?
Subhadra and Giri Daddy.
Go ahead, Subhadra.
Okay. शिकारभिमष्टजन्तु दुर्विपाकमर्दिनि नन्दनन्दनन्तरङ्गभक्तिपूरवर्धिनि तीरसङ्गमाभिलाषि मङ्गलानुबन्धिनि मां पुनातु सर्वदारविन्दबन्धुनन्दिनि.
Very good. Very nice, Shubhata. Krishna Chaitanya, go ahead.
शीकराभिमृष्टजन्तु दुर्विपाकमर्दिनि नन्दनन्दनान्तराङ्गभक्तिविभूरवर्धिनि तीरसङ्गमाभिलाषि मङ्गलानुबन्धिनि मां पुनातु सर्वदारविन्दबन्धुनन्दिनि.
Very nice, Krishna Chaitanya. Good. Vikyat, go ahead.
Hare Krishna. Shikaraabhimrishtajantu durvipakamardiని Nandanandanantaranga bhakti puravardhini Tirasangamaabhilashi mangalanubandhini Mam punatu sarvadaravinda bandhu nandini.
Very good. Very nice. Go ahead, Hasini. Hasini, go ahead.
You're on mute.
Can you hear me, Hasini?
Mataji, your voice is too low.
Is it low for everyone?
For me, it's also low.
It's low?
Mataji, we can hear you, Mataji.
Yeah, we can hear you, Mataji.
Oh, Hasini, maybe your that system volume is low or what? That whatever you're using, laptop or phone. Can you
Mataji, now I can hear you.
Yes. Can you go ahead?
Yes. Shikarabhimrishtajantu durvipakamardiनि Nandanandanantaranga bhakti puravardhini Tirasangamabilashi mangalanubandhini Mam punatu sarvadharavinda bandhu nandini.
Very good, Hasini. Yes. Asra wants to sing or is that you, Mataji?
Hare Krishna Mataji. I can go.
Asra, okay, go ahead, Mataji.
Which verse?
Third one.
Shikaraabhimrishtajantu durvipakamardiनि Nandanandanantaranga bhakti puravardhini Tirasangamaabhilashi mangalanubandhini Mam punatu sarvadaravinda bandhu nandini.
Very nice, Asra. Who wants to go next?
Mataji, can I sing?
Yeah, yes, I will. Go ahead.
Sikarabimirshtajantu durvapakamardiनि Nandanandanantaranga bhaktipura-vardhini Tirasangamabilashi mangalanubandhini Mam punatu sarvadara vrindubandhu nandini.
Very good, Saivilas. Good job. Anyone else wants to try? It's 8:50, so we can move to the next one. If nobody else wants to try.
Vikyat wants to try.
Vikyat, did you sing or? I think he did already. Adi, you want to try?
I did it, Mataji. This is Vikya.
Who?
I just wanted to tell you that I already did it because you called him. Yeah.
Yeah. I remember you did it. Okay, if there is no one else. Mukund, did you try?
No, Mataji.
You want to go?
Yes, Mataji.
Go ahead.
Shiksharabhimrishtajantu durvipakamardiनि Nandanandananta bhakti puravardhini Tirasangamaabhilashi mangalanubandhini Mam punatu sarvadara bandhunan Mam punatu sarvadara vinda bandhu nandini. Hare Krishna.
Okay. I think now
Looks
we
like
can-
it's Dad.
Okay, so then we'll move to the next one. So I think we completed 10, right? Until 10th. Okay, we have some time. Shall we all sing from beginning, one by one, until 10th, and then we'll learn the 11th one. Who wants to go first?
I can go, Mataji.
Who is that?
Asra.
Okay, Asra. Then second, who wants to go? Okay, Asra, you go ahead then. We will decide.
Verse 1. From first number. Okay. Agre Guru Namata. Wait, which? Oh. This is. Okay. Agre Guru Namata Pandavanam. Dushashanena Tarvashtrikesha. Krishna Dadagrashadananyanath. Govind Damo Daramadaveti.
Yes. Thank you, Asra. Very nice. Second, I will just call out the names now. Okay. Hasini, go ahead. Hasini, can you go ahead?
Yes, Mataji. Sri Krishna Vishnu Madhukaita Bhare Bhaktanukampin Bhagavan Murare Trayasvamam Keshavalokanadha Govinda Damodara Madhaveti.
Mataji, can Shubhadra say the third one?
Yeah, go ahead. And then I think Vikya has raised
Vikre-
hand and the fourth one. Go ahead, go ahead.
Vikretu Kama Kila Gopya Kanya Murari Padan Pita Chitta Vritte Dadyadikam Moha Vashad Avochad Govinda Damodara Madhaveti.
Very nice. Vikya, go
Mataji,
ahead.
can I do the fifth one?
Fourth one?
Fifth.
You
Okay.
can do, I haven't joined. I just joined like a week ago, like so.
Oh, so you can really sing the
Yeah.
towards the end, like 9.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So who wants to go fourth one?
Krishna Chaitanya.
Can you? Yeah, go ahead.
Olukale Sambritatandulamscha Sankhattayantya Mushalai Pramugdha Kayanti Gopyo Janitanuraka Govinda Damodara Madhaveti.
Very good, Krishna Chaitanya. Go ahead.
Kachiskaram push apyutanishnam kridhe sukham
Chitam,
kim sukharata tandam tandham
Tunda.
adhyapayam asasaru kashi govinda damodar madhaveti.
Yes. Very good, Adi. Thank you. Sixth. Mukund, can you sing?
Yes, Mataji. Grihe grihe gopavadhu samoha pratikshanam pinjarasarikana skaladgiram vachitam pravritta govinda damodara madhaveti.
Very good. Who did not sing so far? Everyone got a chance. Anyone? Sai Vedas? Do you want to sing the 7th one? Are you there, Sai Vedas? Okay, then you all can take another chance. Like, who wants to go the 7th one? Please go ahead.
Mataji, did you call me?
Yes, we want to go for the 7th one.
I'll try Mataji.
Okay.
Paryayan.
Pariyankikabha.
Paryayan. Kikabaja.
Are you comfortable with the 8th one then?
Hold 1 second, Mataji. I'll check it over.
Yeah, or otherwise you can try 7th if you want. Paryankikabha jamalam kumaram. You want to sing? Sai Vedas.
Sure, Mataji. I'll try the 7th one still.
Yeah.
Should I try it?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Paryanti kambajam alam kumaram prasvapyan yo kilagopakanya jagu prabandam swaratalabandam govinda damodara madhaveti.
Yes, very good. 8th, who wants to go? Anyone can go now because everyone has got a chance. Whoever wants to go for the 2nd one can go.
Mataji, can I?
Yes, go ahead. And then Krishna Chaitanya go for the 9th one. Go ahead. Mataji.
Ramanujam Vikshanakeliloolam Gopi Gehitva Navanita Golam Abalakam Balakamajuhava Govinda Damodara Madhaviti.
Very good. Krishna Chaitanya, go ahead.
Vikhyat is doing number 10 or number 9?
Oh, yeah, Vikhyat, you which
I'll
one?
do number 10, Mataji.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Vichitra varna parna pirame videhi vaktrambujarajahamse sadhamadiye rasane krarange govinda damodara madhaveti.
Very good. Vikhyat, go ahead.
Ankadhirudham shishugopagudham stanam dhayantam kamalaikakantam sambodhayam asha muda yashoda govinda damodara madhaveti.
Very good. So today we will learn the 11th one. Someone please read the translation quickly. 11th.
Vikya can read, Mataji.
Go ahead.
In Rajadham, Krishna was playing with his playmates, the boys his age who protected the animals. With great love, Mother Yashoda called out to her own son, O Govinda Damodara Madhava.
Yes. Who is calling out names here?
Yashoda.
Yes.
Yashoda.
And why? What Krishna is doing?
Krishna's playing with his cowboy.
He's playing with his friends.
Yes.
He's playing with his friends.
Yes. And it's mentioned here who protected the animals. Which animals they protected?
Cows.
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 So that's what happens, right? When we are playing and our moms are calling out our names. So here Yashoda is also calling out Krishna's names, Govinda, Damodara, Madhava.
Mataji,
Yes.
how many shlokas are there in Govinda Damodara Madhaveti?
It's a long one. It's going to go for many days.
There are 71 verses.
Yes.
Oh, 71.
Yes.
That's a lot, Mataji.
Yes.
We cannot finish this in one day. To finish in every day.
No, we cannot finish in one day, but we will keep trying.
71 weeks. Oh my god.
We'll try our best, okay? Let's see how it goes. But it's a very beautiful one, right? I really like this. So, and you're all saying it, revising the previous ones, right? So probably you will memorize those soon. Okay. So please repeat. Kridantam antar.
Kridantamantar.
क्रीडन्तम् अंतर
Tantamantar.
व्रजम् आत्मनं स्वम्
Rajamatmanam swam.
व्रजम् आत्मनं स्वम्
Rajamatmanam swam.
Swam.
समं वयस्यैः
Samavayasya.
समं वयस्यैः
Samavayasya.
पशुपालबालैः
Pashupalabalai.
पशुपालबालैः
Pashupalabalai.
प्रेम्णा यशोदा
Premna
Yashoda.
Premna Yashoda.
प्रेम्णा यशोदा
Premna Yashoda.
प्रजुहाव कृष्णम्
Prajuhava
Krishnam.
प्रजुहाव कृष्णम्
Brajuhava Krishnam.
गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति
Govinda
Damodara Madhaveti.
Madhaveti.
Please repeat. क्रीडन्तमन्तर्व्रजम् आत्मनं स्वम्
Kridantamantarvajamanam swam.
Rajamatmanam swam.
क्रीडन्तमन्तर्व्रजमात्मनं स्वम्
Kridantamantarvajamanam swam.
क्रीडन्तमन्तर्व्रजमात्मनं स्वम्
Kridantamantam swam.
मां वयस्यै पशुपालबालै
Samanam Pashai Pashupalabalai.
मां वयस्यै. Can you say half?
Samna Vayasai
मां वयस्यै
Sama Vayasai
पशुपालबालै
Pashupalabalai.
प्रेम्णा यशोदा
Premna Yasoda.
प्रेम्णा यशोदा
Premna Yasoda.
प्रजुहाव कृष्णम्
Rajuhava
Krishnam.
प्रजुहाव कृष्णम्
Rajuhava
Krishnam.
All sing it together. Govinda
Madhaveti.
Damodara
Madhaveti.
Very good. Everyone got this one? All
Yes,
the
Mataji. Yes.
okay. So all will sing it one by one. Okay. And then I think we have only 4 minutes because I think from today there is a new class is going to start from 9:15. So please let's go quickly. Okay.
Can Shubhadra say?
Yes. Go ahead, Shubhadra.
Vedantamantar Rajamatmanam swam Sama Vayasai Pashupalabai. Premana Yashoda Prajuhava Krishnam Govinda Damodara Madhaveti.
Very nice, Shubhadra. Beautiful. Next, Krishna Chaitanya. Go ahead.
क्रीडन्तमन्तर्व्रजमात्मनं स्वं समं भवस्यै पशुपालबालै प्रेम्णा यशोदा प्रजुहाव कृष्णं गोविन्द दामोदरमाधवेति.
Very good. I'll just call out names now. Okay. Hasni, go ahead. I think Hasni cannot hear me. Mukund, can you go ahead?
Yes, Mataji. क्रीडन्तमन्तर्वजम् आत्मनं स्वं समानं वाया सहि पशुपालबाले प्रेम्णा यशोदा प्रजुहाव कृष्णं गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति.
This is Samam. Okay. Mukund.
Madhuri, can you say that again?
Samam vayasyai pashupal balai.
Okay, Madhuri, yes, Madhuri. Samam vasaye pashubal.
Vayasyai.
Okay. Samam vayasya pasubala bale. Thank you, Madhuri. Hare Krishna.
Vikhyat, you want to go?
Yes, Mataji.
Go ahead.
क्रीडन्तमन्तर्व्रजमात्मनां स्वं समं व्ययस्यै पशुबालबालै प्रेम्णा यशोदा प्रजुहाव कृष्णं गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति.
Okay, very good, Vikhyat. Very nice. Hasini, can you hear me?
Yes, Mataji, I can hear you.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
क्रीडन्तमन्तारव्रजमात्मनं स्वं सामं वयस्यै पशुपालभालै प्रेम्णा यशोदा प्रजुहाव कृष्णं गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति.
Yes, Sai Vedas, you want to go? Very good, Hasini. Very nice. Sai Vedas, you want to go? Yeah.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, go ahead.
Kridantamantarvrajam Kridantamantarvrajam Anantam Swam
Atmanam. Atmanam. Can you say?
Kridantamantarvrajam Atmanam Swam Syamam Vyayasyai Pasupalabalai Premna Yashoda Prajava Krishnam
Go ahead.
Prajuhava Krishnam Govinda Damodara Madhaveti.
Very good. Good job. Who wants to go? Adi? Or you want to go, Adi? Adi?
Yeah, sure, Mataji. Is it 12? 11?
11th.
Okay. Kritantam antar vrajam antam nam swavam samam
Can you say
vayash
Atmanam Swam?
atmanam swam
Yes, very good.
samam vyashya pashupalabalai
Yes.
premna yashoda praju Hava Krishnam Govinda Damodara Madhaveti.
Very good. Nice, Adi. Okay. Everyone is done? Anyone else wants to try? Okay. Then we will end here because there is another class setting from today. So we'll end it on time. Thank you all for joining and singing so beautifully. And we will meet again next week. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhuvaiva cha
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Prabhupada ki jai.
Jai.
Thank you all. Hare Krishna.